The Mercedes-Benz Armadillo is a concept luxury motorhome that brings together off-road capabilities and technologically advanced design. It is scheduled to be introduced in the year 2026. In spite of the fact that it is not an official Mercedes-Benz production model, it has garnered a great deal of attention due to the fact that it possesses a very distinctive appearance and a number of inventive features. Layout and design of the exterior. The Armadillo is distinguished by its daring and angular appearance, which is reminiscent of military-grade vehicles. This is just one of the many characteristics that define its design. A tall, multi-tiered body that maximizes the amount of space accessible inside the building is referred to as a multi-level structure. Panoramic designs are also possible. On all sides and in every direction, windows are vast glass panels that provide a view of the surrounding nature. The utilization of LED lighting, which is comprised of streamlined LED strips, contributes to the enhancement of a futuristic appearance. The design of this product places equal priority on both its shape and its function, with the goal of providing a travel experience that is both luxurious and rugged. Highlighted locations in the interior. The following conveniences are anticipated to be included on the interior of the Armadillo, according to certain plans. Spacious living quarters. Multiple levels that include a living area, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom for your convenience. Some examples of modern amenities are the incorporation of high-end equipment, the incorporation of smart home technologies, and the use of premium materials throughout the premises. Examples of modern technology include controls that are accessed through a touchscreen, ambient lighting, and possibly even systems that enable autonomous driving. Luxury travelers and digital nomads are the target demographic for the interior design, which aims to provide the comforts of home to travelers while they are on the move because it is designed to cater to their needs. Both performance and capabilities are available. An electric powertrain, which is a completely electric system for environmentally responsible travel, is said to be included in the Armadillo. However, the actual technological aspects are still a matter of speculation. One of the benefits of having an all-wheel drive system is that it provides improved grip for off-road excursions. Transportation systems that are capable of driving themselves are outfitted with advanced driver assistance technologies that simplify the process of navigating. Having these features would establish the Armadillo as a cutting-edge alternative for luxury off-grid exploration, which would be a significant advantage.